Hey everybody, how is your day? I hope you are all doing well. So in this video, we are going to see how to extract data from lists. So let's do a little bit of data extraction from lists. Extracting data can also be done in a few different ways. You have seen how to look over lists, but you can also retrieve items and manipulate a list with slices. So before we doing that, we must define the list like colors. Colors, let's see, red, yellow, green, and blue. We can call like the red value by indices, colors of 0 with. So we got red. If we want to select for the first three items, we can write like this, colon 3, red, yellow, green. So if we want to select for the last three items, we must use the -3 and colon. So we can also remove it from the list if we want to pop and retrieve an item, but the index must exist. If it doesn't exist, it will give us an index error. So we can pop the item by index. Let's say 100. It will give an index error because its index is out of range. We don't have that kind of index in our list colors. So if we want to pop correctly, we must use an existing index. That's the colors.pop of 1. We gonna put it into the pop items and let's call it back. So let's see. So we got yellow. So the yellow items was removed. So we should check it by calling the colors. Yes, it was completely removed. So popping alters the list, however. So if we know the item, we can remove it by its name by using the remove method. Let's say blue. We want to remove the blue and we call the colors again. We will not see the blue again in the colors. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoy it and so see you in next video. So bye bye.